Assalamu alaikum. Good time to all of you. How are you? I hope you are all fine and fit. I would like to introduce myself in front of you. This is Simon. I'm from Feni, but currently I live in Mirpur, Dhaka. My father's name Mainuddin and my mother's name Rokia Akhtar. Now I'm a student in Northern University, BSc in Textile. Uh, I am a 1 years old. I want to be a engineer in future. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum.